Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the past workout in the FitBod application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After doing that, so you will see that you have three options to click down below. You should click on the log option. After doing that, so you can see here that it says in big letters past workouts, and you have to click on the plus. You select the date when that past workout happened, you just press OK. You select the time when that happened, for example at, I don't know, 9 in the morning. Let me select that real fast. You click OK. You will select how much it lasted. Now the whole workout may last like an hour, for example, and you can add all the exercises that you have done under that 1 hour. Now I'm just going to add some here randomly, and basically after you have done this, you just press save. And you can see that it appeared here that at May 10 you have done a 1 hour workout with these exercises. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you next time. Bye bye.